Hey everybody, welcome to Veganuary day 8. Today, you're going to be joining me for a what I ate today.
It's the 6th.
This is going up on Monday.
Oh.
Stop revealing our trade secrets. Yeah, it's Saturday. It's going to be a snowy day today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed Mom's what I ate today. I think she's also filming hers today. But mine's going up later because I need to use her. It's a whole thing, whatever. I need to use her card reader on her laptop. It's fine. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a snowy, potentially, weekend, so maybe we'll see a little bit of that later. I don't know. Maybe it'll be what I ate today plus extra vlog. We'll see. But just getting ready to start some breakfast here. And apologies in advance if things are a little messy right now. But today is cleaning day. And hopefully by lunchtime, it'll look cleaner in here. But yeah, that's my story and I'm sticking to it. So I'm going to be starting off today with a homemade bagel. My mom is an actual angel and has been making homemade sourdough for like the whole entire year. She gave me and my sister these, and a few other family members, these reusable bread bags. And she's been filling mine up every week with delicious homemade sourdough. So lately she's been doing bagels and they're amazing. I just popped this one in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to soften it up a little bit because it's a few days old now. And I do keep my bread in the fridge just to keep it extra fresh because sometimes the homemade stuff can get a little bit hard if it goes too long. More than like a day or two, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna slice this up, I'm gonna toast it, and then the magic happens. Oh my god. This plant-based chive and onion from Philadelphia, the cream cheese, it's so good. I haven't had cream cheese in years because I was like, it's not worth it. I'm not gonna spend all my money on this vegan cream cheese when I'm not like super into cream cheese anyway. But like, I forgot how much I loved it because we had this for Christmas brunch and I decided I needed it for myself because it's that good. And it was on sale. I wouldn't pay full price. I think full price was like $8 or something. But this was on sale. So I splurged for New Year's and I love it. So I'll be back in a minute to show you the finished product. Here's our little toaster. I'm pretty sure I bought this for like $12 at Lowe's. And honestly, it has been doing the thing for us. It's been working, right?
Yeah, that thing on the back that we never use.
What's the thing on the back?
There's like these wire frames that can come up. I have no idea what they're for. I think maybe toasting like hot dogs.
Oh, well, you mean like if you just pull the thing up?
On the back side of it is a thing you can like push up.
Oh, I don't know. I'm sure, yeah, there's more to it.
Yeah.
But sure. Somebody's having coffee. It's not me. Don't look at the stuff in the sink. That's for later. But here is the toasted bagel in all of its glory. Seriously, this cream cheese, this is not sponsored by Philadelphia. I freaking wish. But yeah, this is so good. It's
Oh, you got that Philadelphia money.
I wish I was getting that Philadelphia money. No. This cream cheese is super, super delicious. Would I buy it on the regular? No, because it is expensive. But would I continue to buy it for like holidays and special occasions? Yes, because it's really good. So I'm going to go enjoy that, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. And we're back.
Sorry, what?
You don't know that SNL sketch with Jimmy Fallon when he was like the radio host?
No.
Oh, I got some things to show you later. So it's snack time, and this snack is a little bit of a finish up stuff that I already started, clean out the fridge situation. So this snack, hold on, let's look. All right, this snack, I'm finishing up this Owen protein drink that I started yesterday. There's like, I think half in here. This is not focusing, but this is the chocolate flavor. And it is very, very delicious. It's all good ingredients. Again, not sponsored. No one is sponsoring this video at all.
Maybe one day.
No, but not now. And then I have this last bit of fruit salad that is actually left over from Christmas. I made a really big fruit salad and I've just slowly been finishing it. And it is now January 6th. And Finally gonna stick a fork in it. Finishing it up.
You're done?
I'm gonna be done with it. But it's good. It's lasted this whole time and it's still delicious, so I'm good with that. What have you been up to today?
Well, I went out and I built a treehouse for us, and I got.
So we've been watching Vanderpump Rules. We've been watching Vanderpump Rules because a while back, Sean, I think I was sick or something, and he was like, "All right, we're gonna."
No, it was
No, it started when I was sick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we started watching this one time when I was sick because he felt bad for me. He took pity on me, and it became a thing of like, I'm gonna watch this with you. Whenever you're sick or whatever, you had like a rough day, but it's now morphed into he's addicted to it.
No.
Yeah, he is.
No.
So we're on season 3, episode 11. This is like after Sheena and Shay. Actually, I guess they're still on the trip. Sheena and Shay's
I don't think we need to get into
bachelorette
where
party.
we're at on Vanderpump Rules.
No, we do. People want to know. Leave it in the comments if you want to know. But we're enjoying that. I still haven't cleaned yet. I am going to get to it, but I'm chilling. It's Saturday. It's going to snow this weekend, so it's snow day rules. We'll get there when we get there.
It hasn't snowed yet, though.
But it will. Stop it. All right. This lighting is terrible, but it is what it is. So you may think it's lunchtime right now, but it's not. Because, of course, I started cleaning around when I would normally eat lunch. And I felt like pretty full from the fruit and the rest of that protein shake. Plus, then I was cleaning the toilet, and that makes me, like, not hungry. Plus, it makes me not want to eat until after I shower. So I've showered. It's about a few minutes before 5 right now. I'm actually going to have a snack to hold me over until dinner. We're going to eat a little bit earlier today. This is very exciting. Again, this is not sponsored, but I'm showing you guys a lot of brands today, so I don't want you to think that this is like an ad. But Sean got me this snack box, vegan snack box from the Good Grocer, and this is like an early birthday present for me, and it was super thoughtful, so thank you. But I'm gonna have one of these snacks before we start cooking. I have my tofu draining over here because we're gonna be making some tofu with the Aldi vegan and gluten-free breadcrumbs that I got this week. So we're gonna give that a go. But first, let's see what it's gonna be. I kind of like have to have this. This just looks so good, these cheese puffs. This also highly, highly, highly recommend. I had this popcorn recently. The Himalayan Gold specifically is insane. It's so good. So I'm gonna dive into the snack, and then I'll be back when it's time for cooking. Hi! So it's gonna be dinner time. It is 6 o'clock now. Sean is gonna be making pesto pasta, which I'll show you the Trader Joe's pesto in a little bit. But I'm gonna be trying out the breadless crumbs Italian from Aldi. So I mixed up a little coating for the tofu, which I have cubed. So the coating is just the wickedly delicious garlic vegan mayo with caramelized onion. This is very, very tasty. It says this expired September 2023, but we're gonna go for it. I don't think it's expired, but it's, you know, Best Buy. Let's hope I'm not pooping myself tomorrow. And then I mixed that with some of the Steve & Ed's Louisiana hot sauce. So I just coated the tofu. I put the breadcrumbs in here with some nooch. So we're going to get some of that going. And then we will put that on the baking tray over there, which I sprayed a little bit of olive oil on. So let's just see how this coats up. I think I'm gonna need more breadcrumbs in here, but I just wanted to like do some to start. So let's see how it goes. Bear with me. I saw my mommy do this a few days ago and it worked really well for her. So let's see if I can recreate the magic. The other day we used the jackfruit, but today I went with the tofu. Shake it up, the cars. All right, let's take a look. Okay, looks good to me. Ooh, so we're gonna put that all on the baking tray. I'm gonna do the rest, and then I'm gonna bake at 400. I'm gonna set it for 20 minutes, but I'm probably gonna turn them over halfway, and then we'll see where we're at. It might be more than 20 minutes, because I feel like my oven is not super hot. I feel like it's not true to temp, but We'll see. Alright, we are looking good. Tofu is out of the oven. I'm gonna give that a second to cool before I try it. The pesto is on the pasta. Sean already had some, that's why it doesn't look like there's that much. Plus, I put some in my bowl as well. And this is the vegan kale, cashew, and basil pesto from Trader Joe's. What did you think?
It was good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You liked it? You like my fluff? Still watching Vanderpump Rules. We caught you.
Okay.
Caught you.
If that's what you want to believe. Are you zooming in on me?
Yes, I did. All right. So this is my plate that I put together. I was going to make a veggie, but then I remembered I had some leftover, what's it called? Romaine lettuce. So I'm having, this is a lot of lettuce under here, don't be fooled, with some zesty Italian dressing. So I want to try out the tofu and the pasta and let you know what I think. All right, let's do the pasta first. I can't see what this looks like on camera, so hopefully it's okay. But let's take a taste. Okay, definitely into that. I love pesto, so that's a good one. And I love that there's kale in it, because I feel like I should be eating so much more kale. It's so delicious. And now let's try the tofu. Hell yeah. We'll definitely be getting more of those breadcrumbs from Aldi because that is delicious. So I'm gonna go stuff my face now. Okie dokes, that dinner was very, very tasty. And now it's a few hours later and it's time for dessert. So I'm still chipping away at Christmas cookies. This crumbly bit is baklava, which I'm definitely going to have some of tonight. We've got the chocolate peanut butter gluten-free. We have the matcha shortbreads. And I don't know if I have any of the chocolate peanut butter swirl ones left because those were my favorites, so I definitely ate all those quickly. I have these waffle ones, which are super good. And then I also have some cookies here that my friends made that are vegan. Snickerdoodle, there's like a maple one. So they're really good. So I'm going to try down on that. And then I think that's going to be it eating-wise. Maybe I'll have some tea. We'll see what happens. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was fun. And I didn't eat lunch today. Sometimes it just happens like that. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow for more. And until next time, much love.